get a chance, do the rumble strip thing again.
Oh, it's so chunky.
It's one of those ones where you can like take all the little like it has a bunch of bits. It's a bit driver, I think they're called. Does it work?
Yeah.
Hey.
I don't put these fuckers on until like June. Ow!
Don't spill it.
I don't give a shit. They have some grab me some towels.
Yeah, I'll grab you some towel.
Wheel spin all the way. All the way, baby!
Turn left to I-88 West, Aurora.
Oh boy, here we go. Oh. Very good.
It goes.
Oh my god, that was the best one yet. Holy fuck. Holy shit.
Just give me the Beach Boys and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Yeah, oh, won't you take me? Oh, won't you take me? I wanna drift away.
Backs out. That was lift up oversteer.
Hell yeah, dude. Are you gonna let me get a get a little zap at this when we're done?
I don't want to go off there. Hang on.
Hell yeah.
Dude, fuck yeah.
Dude, this is a great road. Holy fuck.
You want to have a zippity zap?
Let me